Hurricane Bertha is showing significance this afternoon at Atlantic Beach, North Carolina. Crowds watched the windswept surf pound the shoreline. Some folks were even brave enough to surf in the rough waters. Now, while the waves may be tempting, we urge all surfers and swimmers to be cautious. There is a hurricane approaching, and the maximum sustained winds now 80.
Its winds drive water shoreward. Once the edge of the storm reaches the shallow waters of the continental shelf, hurricane-force winds push the water onto the shore. At first, the water level climbs slowly, but as the eye approaches, water rises rapidly. Waves traveling on top of the surge hammer away at structures built on the shoreline.
I don't think that the average person is quite aware of how powerful moving water is. A cubic yard of water weighs about 1,700 pounds, and it's almost incompressible. You might just as well be hit almost with a solid object as to have this water smashing against a structure on the beach.
Charlie Welsh, the Weather Channel.
Is our hurricane, or should I say there's half of our hurricane. Actually, this low-level circulation is right in here. We've got a semicircle right in here. How about that? You know why that is? Strong westerly winds this thing is encountering. Watch what happened. Yesterday, this looked like a circle if you were watching it when it was further south. But as it heads north, it encounters these westerlies, and it's just fighting to maintain its status right now. And isn't that good news, huh? We were worried that since it was moving over the warm waters of the Gulf Stream here tonight and Friday, that there could be some development. Well, that may yet occur, but these westerly winds should mitigate anything from exploding. Look at the outflow here. Out to the east, out to the south, that's the exhaust from our hurricane. Is there any outflow out to the east or north? No. Westerly winds, keeping it tough for our Hurricane Bertha to maintain its intensity. 80 miles per hour in squalls to the east of our hurricane at the present time. So as this approaches land on Friday, it'll be the areas to the east that will pick up the most intense symptoms of this thing. There it is. There's the low-level swirl. You might be able to see that. Right in here, there's a little kind of circle of low clouds. These are the high tops of the heavy showers as they rotate around into the Carolinas here tonight. We picked up a couple of inches of rain here in North Carolina. More is yet to come, for sure. This thing is moving slowly, so we're on the conveyor belt for moisture. We've had a few showers around Norfolk. Maybe in Richmond you might have seen a few sprinkles here tonight. There's more where that came from, too. And with the track moving further north, flooding rains, the likes of which we'll see in North Carolina, may be a problem further up the East Coast.